let's come down to what we are here to discuss now. So I've said whether it's the education which is important, because we're certainly going to talk about, is it really important for us to be an entrepreneur or to actually seek for a job, because we belong to a category where our parents always kept on telling us, beta naukri nahi milegi, naukri nahi milegi. You know, so what's your take on this?
Well, you know, since childhood I've listened to that, right? So, you know, we always jump to a conclusion. We always jump to a conclusion. For example, if I say right now to Shehzad, you know, if I ask you a question and anybody is listening to us may attempt that question as well. Shehzad, what is the half of 13?
What is the half of 13? It's, I believe, 6.5.
Right. So, Shehzad jumped to a conclusion, went for an equation, divided 13 by 2. However, it can be third or teen. It can be anything, right? For example, if I say, what is the half of this table? You won't divide this table by 2.
True.
Right? So, we always, you know, whatever, this is what we call
just
as...
calling to cut it in half.
Yes, yes, but you won't divide it by 2, right?
True.
So, this is how we enter in a primacy effect. We call it a primacy effect.
True.
Whatever goes into our mind for the very first time, that is carried by us as a luggage throughout our life.
True.
Right? And if I ask another question, and if the audience seeing me and also both you participate, right? If I pronounce an alphabet in English, and whatever the first word that comes to your mind, you speak out loud. And you know, the word should be, you know, able to be spoken on the TV, right?
Obviously, you know, that's what we are responsible for.
So, 1, 2, 3. C for?
You have a cat.
Cat. So everybody might have thought about cat, right? This is the reason why we could have said chair, you know, check, card, anything, right?
Oh, so you want us to be creative?
No, it is the first thing that went into our mind. Our parents feed us that you need to find a job.
True.
That's true.
You don't need to give a job, so we always try to finding a job, and this is a vicious circle we all are around.
So that's how we are wired.
Yes, we are. This is what we call primacy effect.
True.
And for this, we need to unlearn and relearn. Until or unless we cannot shift our mind towards finding a job and towards giving a job.
So would we still know that C is for cat?
No, it can be anything else.
When we unlearn, and then when we learn again, so, you know, C might become cheese, right?
No, it can be, you know, we may start thinking about giving an answer or jumping to a conclusion.
True.
Right, lovely. So I would move to